Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can adjust the contrast and brightness of your videos using the CapCut PC. So first, you can simply just add your videos into CapCut PC like this, and then first just head to the adjustment at the top right corner. In here you can find adjustment tab, and then you can just scroll down, and under the adjust section there will be this slider, and find the lightness in here. And here, to adjust the brightness, you can use exposure, and contrast, just use contrast. So you can adjust it in here. If you want to make it brighter, you can adjust the exposure to the right, and if you want to make it darker, you can adjust it to the left. Here you can also adjust the contrast to how you like it. For example, I'm going to make it like this, and that's it. This is the result. So you can adjust the brightness and contrast to how you like it based on your videos itself. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.